Hi everyone, let's learn how to achieve this flawless makeup base. We'll start by moisturizing our face. Hydration is a must to get flawless makeup base. If your skin is oily, use a water-based moisturizer. But do moisturize. Be very gentle while applying cream on under eye area and on the lid space. Keep massaging for 5 minutes to increase the blood circulation. Leave the face for 2-3 minutes and then apply primer. Here I am using Swiss Beauty Real Makeup Base and it is a highlighting primer. Next I'll start correcting my face. Here I'm using Inside Cosmetics palette. I'll use an orange corrector to cancel out the darkness on my under eye area, sides of the cheeks, forehead space and also around my mouth. The darkness on my face is of bluish tones. In the above color wheel, you can see that blue color appears exact opposite to orange, which means that the bluish undertones get cancelled by orange color. Do not drag your brush, otherwise you won't get any coverage. Just gently dab the product. If the darkness on your face is not too intense, you can either go with a peach corrector or you can directly apply a close match to your skin shade concealer. beauty blender and blend the product, but remember not to over blend it. Next, I'll take a light shade concealer and a dark shade concealer. The dark shade concealer is a little close match to my skin color. I will take 2 drops of dark shade concealer and 1 drop of light concealer and then mix both. Start by applying concealer in less quantities. You can build it later on if you think you need more coverage. Here I am taking a small blending brush. Now I'll start blending the concealer. I feel the need of more coverage in the inner lid space, so I'll take some more concealer. I'll apply the concealer around my mouth in very less quantities, even if I don't get the coverage, because ultimately foundation is going to cover it all. Since I have used a very small quantity of orange corrector around it. Next step is to apply foundation. I like to apply foundation on one side of my face and then go on to next. Some foundations get dried super fast, so in that case you can apply your foundation like this by dividing your face into 4 or 5 parts, then working with one part one by one. Just keep on dabbing your foundation until it feels smoothly blended. This beauty blender is from Mars and it is super affordable and works greatly. The Lakme foundation that I'm using doesn't get dry easily, but I'm applying the foundation in parts because it is a completely beginner friendly video. As a beginner, you may not know which foundation gets easily dried and which does not. For those who are completely new to makeup, like who are applying their makeup for the first time or even second time, I would really recommend to apply your foundation in small quantities. Now I'll use banana powder and a puff to set my under eye areas and around my mouth where I've applied concealer. With the help of a fluffy brush, I'll apply powder all over my face. And now the base is done. You can see how flawless it looks. Hope you liked this tutorial. Here I've done my makeup. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.